Hey everyone, welcome back in tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on a Facebook. As you know that two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Facebook account by requiring a second form of verification in addition to your password. So in this video, I will guide you step-by-step process how to enable two-factor authentication on a Facebook. So let's get started to the video. First of all, open your Facebook application on your mobile device. Make sure that you are logged in that. Now you can see your profile icon as a three horizontal line. Tap on that. In that you can see the setting icon. Tap on that. In setting you can see account center. Tap on that. Inside this you can see password and security option. Tap on that. In that you can see two-factor authentication. Tap on that. Now select a ID in which you want to give as a two-factor authentication. I have only one as a Facebook and one is as a Instagram, but I want to give as a two-factor authentication on a Facebook, so I will select that one. I done some other process. In that it will ask for your password verification and it will send some code on your mobile phone number or in your email ID what you give while creating your Facebook ID. In this page you have to select some security method in which it will send some code you want to get on SMS or WhatsApp, but it will be better select in that only. After that select on next, but I already done. If I will do again, then it will give some error and all. So in this way you can enable two-factor authentication on a Facebook. And also remember that always use some unique and strong password and consider using a password manager too.